So we're going to call this the video of I've made a terrible mistake. And I don't feel like doing the entire video of the lesson over again. So in this problem, I made a mistake. And when you see that we have 64x to the 6th minus y to the 6th, you ask yourselves, do we have a perfect cube? And yes, we do. And do we have a perfect cube? And yes, we do. But before you do that, you need to ask yourself, do we have a perfect square? This is a perfect square. It can be changed to 8x cubed times 8x cubed, and this is also a perfect square. It can be y to the third times y to the third. If that is the case, where you have a polynomial with two terms, and you see that it is both the difference of perfect cubes and it is the difference of perfect squares, order of operations would state that the perfect squares need to be done first. And believe it or not, it does turn out differently if you don't do that. So we need to say, all right, 64x squared is 8x to the third times 8x to the third. Y to the sixth is y to the third times y to the third. So difference of perfect squareds, we're going to have 8x cubed minus y cubed times 8x cubed plus y cubed. Now we need to look at each one of these binomials and say, do we have a perfect cube? Yes. Do we have a perfect cube? Yes. So we get to factor this out again. Both of these can be factored again. This is 2x, 2x, 2x. This is y, y, and y. And same over here. We have 2x, 2x, 2x. I don't know why that is doing that. And this is going to be y, y, and y. So we double bubble, and I'm going to do this in different colors. This one will be green, that one will be blue. So doing the green first, we have double bubble, little bubble, big bubble. Signs are going to be same, opposite, always positive. So we'll bring 2x down and y down. That took care of that and one of our y's. And now our 2x times 2x gives us 4x to the 4x squared. Y times y gives us y squared. And this is going to be 2xy. Now the blue, double bubble, little bubble, big bubble. Signs are same, opposite, always positive. And we're going to have 2x and y and 4x squared and y squared, and this will be 2xy again. And that is factored form for the 64x to the 6th minus y to the 6th.